Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your HomePod Mini and iPhone run the latest software, then bring them close, about 1 to 3 meters. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone and disable personal hotspot because it can block discovery. You don't need to open the Home app yet. Instead, wake your iPhone and keep the screen on. This initial proximity and network state lets the devices exchange the handshake required for AirPlay and Bluetooth-backed connections quickly. Next, open Control Center and long press the audio playback card to expand it. This exposes device options. Tap Devices, scan the list, and choose your HomePod Mini. If it appears as nearby speaker, select it. If the system asks for confirmation or shows a code, confirm on your iPhone to complete the secure pairing exchange. Make sure your iPhone remains unlocked and the HomePod is awake, otherwise the handoff can time out. This method uses AirPlay routing, but initiates the Bluetooth audio path when supported. Finally, verify audio is playing through the HomePod Mini and control volume either from the iPhone or by tapping the top of the HomePod. If pairing fails, restart both the HomePod and your iPhone, then retry the Control Center route. Rebooting clears transient Bluetooth cache. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone or remove and re-add the HomePod and the Home app to clear old pairings. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a fresh discovery attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.